We are at the Samuel building. I wanted to get the name on the video. Oh, it says it in here too. Ooh, it's old Epco. Welcome to the Samuel building. Oh, this is cool. Here's the Samuel and here's its building. Oh, this is
those sticky things down there.
The pointless COVID things.
Yeah, they do. It's probably a medical building.
This is really cool, actually.
The elevator machine is right next to the elevator.
All right, let's be quiet on the way up. Like I got the Dover beat batted in.
Yeah. This cool little elevator.
This is cool.
I wonder, so these are Epco fixtures that were assigned with Dover's name on it.
Yep. Usually it's
wonder-
armor.
Yeah.
Like we usually see armor.
I wonder what that one is. That key switch there.
Yeah, I was wondering what that did too.
It doesn't have a label or anything, no, not even a key number, so there's no idea. Just turns off the elevator. It's the on-off switch.
This is pretty neat.
Yeah, not bad.
All right. And out.
There's a machine room right there.
Watch it close up. If it does. Maybe not.
I think it
Okay,
stays open until
that's
it
it.
goes down.